Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the top 3 best compact vacuum sealer options that keep food fresher longer while saving space and reducing waste. From portability to powerful suction, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Mehomeli Compact Vacuum Sealer. The Mehomeli Compact Vacuum Sealer is designed to make food storage smarter, cleaner, and more efficient in everyday kitchens. By removing air from storage bags, it helps preserve freshness up to 6 times longer than traditional containers, making it suitable for meats, fish, vegetables, fruits, dry foods, cooked meals, and leftovers. The airtight seal protects flavor and texture for weeks, reducing spoilage and helping households manage groceries more effectively. Operation is simple and fast. With a single press, the sealer delivers strong 60 kilopascal suction and complete sealing in about 5 seconds. After sealing, the pressure releases automatically, allowing quick and mess-free bag removal. The streamlined process supports quick meal prep, portion storage, and batch cooking without complicated settings. Its ultra-compact handheld form includes a long-lasting rechargeable battery capable of sealing up to 1,000 bags per charge. The lightweight body fits easily into drawers, backpacks, or travel kits, making it practical not only for kitchens, but also for camping trips, outdoor cooking, and small apartments where space matters. The included reusable vacuum bags are BPA-free and eco-friendly. They can be washed, resealed, and safely used in the dishwasher, freezer, and microwave. Leak-proof construction prevents odors and helps maintain flavor while minimizing waste from disposable plastic storage. Maintenance is equally convenient. A removable liquid tray collects excess moisture during sealing, protecting internal components and preventing leaks. The tray detaches easily for quick cleaning, helping maintain hygiene and extending the life of the appliance. Overall, the Mehomeli Compact Vacuum Sealer combines portability, efficiency, and reusable storage to streamline food preservation and everyday meal preparation. Next up, at number 2, comes the FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer. The FoodSaver Compact Vacuum Sealer is a versatile kitchen companion designed to transform how you store, cook, and prepare food. With 7 different uses, it adapts to a wide range of culinary tasks, from marinating proteins and vegetables to infusing oils and liquids. It also supports sous vide cooking and can handle storage needs for the pantry, fridge, or freezer, making it a multifunctional tool for any home chef. Its one-touch auto-marinate mode allows flavors to penetrate your ingredients in minutes rather than hours, giving meals a richer, more developed taste with minimal effort. This sealer ensures food stays fresher for longer by creating airtight seals that lock in flavor and help prevent freezer burn. By maintaining peak freshness, it not only reduces waste, but also helps save money over time. Equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the FoodSaver Compact charges fully in just 2.5 hours and can seal up to 35 quart bags per charge, making it efficient and convenient for frequent use. The color-coded LED lights provide clear visual cues for sealing progress, charging status, and battery levels, simplifying operation and giving users confidence in every seal. Compact yet powerful, this vacuum sealer brings professional-grade functionality into everyday kitchens, whether for meal prep, preserving seasonal produce, or experimenting with new cooking techniques. Its blend of innovation, speed, and ease of use makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to maximize flavor, minimize waste, and elevate home cooking. This appliance is designed to seamlessly integrate into modern kitchens, providing both practicality and efficiency in a sleek, user-friendly package. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer is transforming the way we store and preserve food. Designed to reduce waste and extend freshness, this innovative device keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods, making spoilage a worry of the past. Its intuitive operation allows users to vacuum seal a bag in just 5 seconds with a simple press of a button, automatically shutting off when the process is complete. Chef Preserve comes with a set of reusable and resealable bags that are safe for the dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, and microwave. Made from BPA-free materials, these bags are leak-proof, odor-free, and specially designed to preserve the flavor, nutrition, and texture of food. From meats and fish to vegetables, fruits, dry goods, pizza, cooked meals, and leftovers, the device can handle virtually any type of food. Portability and convenience are at the heart of the Chef Preserve design. Compact and wireless, it is powered by a rechargeable battery capable of sealing up to 1,000 bags on a single charge. Its sleek, handheld size, comparable to a pepper grinder, eliminates the bulk and clutter of traditional vacuum sealers, making it ideal for small kitchens, travel, camping, or RV adventures. By combining efficiency, portability, and a commitment to sustainability, the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a tool for smarter food storage, helping users save money, reduce plastic waste, and enjoy fresher, longer-lasting meals every day. This compact wireless sealer represents a shift toward practical, eco-friendly, and space-saving solutions in the modern kitchen. Don't miss out on fresher meals and smarter storage. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite today. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Product for more top product picks.